If you love the popular Ghanaian waakye and you would like to make it yourself at home because it is so good, I'm going to show you. This recipe is very simple, but the result is amazing. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great today. Thank you for stopping by. Let's make waakye together. Starting off with the beans which I have washed. This is 1.5 cups of white beans and I'm going to add water to it. Enough water to cover the beans. After these, I'll add red Guinea corn stalks, also known as sorghum stalks. This is called poro in Yoruba and I bought this for 100 naira. I'm going to cook this halfway. You can add potash or baking soda to hasten the cooking process. About 20 minutes later, the stalks have released their goodness, that beautiful color, and I took them out. Then added 3 cups of washed rice. I'm using the regular Nigerian rice. I added a bit more water, which should be enough to cook the rice. At this point, I'll also add salt. I'll cover and cook till the rice absorbs all the water and it's properly cooked. About 15 minutes later, this is what I have, but this is not how the typical Ghanaian waakye looks. It needs to be mushy, so I took out some to serve my children who couldn't wait any longer. And since there was still a bit of water in there, I covered and cooked on very low heat till it looked like this. Look at this, it is soft, the beans, the rice, soft and looks good. I really enjoyed this, even though I did not serve with the popular shito. I served with the pepper sauce I made. I hope to make shito very soon and share the recipe with you. Let me know if you'll be trying this Ghanaian waakye recipe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you with another amazing recipe.